Grab a tube of toothpaste, any kind will work. Squeeze a small amount onto the screen of your phone, just like this. Now, take a microfiber cloth. This is important because it's gentle on the screen. Spread the toothpaste evenly across the entire surface of your phone screen. Don't rush. Make sure you're covering every little spot. Once it's all spread out, use the same cloth to gently wipe away the toothpaste. Work in small circular motions, picking up the dry sections of the cloth as needed until there's no toothpaste left on the screen. If you've done it right, the screen should look clean and polished already. What's the purpose of all this? You know how frustrating it is when your phone screen looks dull and covered in tiny scratches. It's even worse when it fogs up in humid weather or when you try to clean it and it still looks cloudy. With this simple trick, you'll have a crystal clear screen that looks brand new. The toothpaste helps fill in minor scratches and leaves a smooth, polished surface to keep your phone screen from fogging up.